Hello, Eric at Tidewater Sew-Vac. I have become aware there are 4 or 5 people in the city that don't know what Tidewater Sew-Vac can do for you. So let me go through it. We sell the German-made Seabo vacuums, American-made Riccar vacuums. You know me, Brother, Baby Lock, and Viking sewing machines.
Lighting and notions.
The Big Daddy sewing machines and embroidery machines. Big Brother sewing machines, sewing furniture, sewing chairs. Mid-arm machines and also long-arm machines.
Classes regularly.
We have huge classrooms. German-made air cleaners. From Buffalo, New York, American-made Austin air cleaners. Stick vacuum cleaners. Handheld vacuums. Central vacuum systems.
Sewing books and even more notions.
Commercial sewing machines.
A whole assortment of fabric.
Vacuum cleaner or floor care product repair. Sewing machine repairs of any kind, make, or model. Sewing thread.
AccuQuilt and dyes.
Flaming sharp and sober. Twice as sharp. And there you have it. 45 years in business, 6 locations in Southeast Virginia. Come visit any of them and get some good service. Thank you.